We want to return the user back to the same place. Let us import redirect. We want to return the user back to that particular page he or she submitted the file. Now we have done this, let us complete our email, okay? Email message, we are now grabbing this dot it should be equal to HTML. So we are sending as HTML, okay? That is the meaning. Email message dot what? Dot send. So the next thing we are going to do over here, let us call our form. We pray that everything will work according to our plan. So if everything works according to our plan, we will not get error. So navigate to your HTML template. We are going to say, okay, form. Please, I'm not going to do more design on this project. The method will be post. We are going to check if there is any message. So we are checking if there is any message. Remember, you have to end your if. Before we do that, let us also call our form. We call it form dot ask. We want to get it as the div. This if shouldn't be there, it's supposed to be above here. Please, if everything works, we will see our form. We have seen the form. So we want to bring out messages in case there is any message, such as error message, please. We are going to say for message in messages, also do well to end your for each. Over here we can input the message in a p tag. We'll just say it's message. Over here, we are going to get our CSR token. Okay, now we have done this, our button okay, congratulations if you have made it to this point. We can as well make sure that the inputs are not empty, but we are not going to do that. I believe strongly that you can do that. It's not difficult. It's so simple. Now let us try to send a message and see if it will go through. If it goes through, then we will know. And secondly, we have not also added our messages in our templates. Open up your template. Inside this template, we are just going to call our names and this. We are going to say H2. New message from Bryce Web Developer. Please observe the words in case we receive the message. We'll be able to know. We can say here is strong. We want to make it strong. Let us duplicate this. Here will be email. Let's call here will be message. I don't think we need the last one. I believe my font is not too tiny. Please, if it is, leave a comment. In my next tutorial, I'm going to do well to change that. Here will be email. And here will be message. Okay, let us now check what we have done so far, if it corresponds. Okay, we are going to send an email. A minute, let's go through. Okay, let's send the email to see. My name is Chika. My email address, we are going to use the subject, hi, email from the Django project. Now we are going to say, okay, hit enter. If we don't get an error, it says something went wrong. Let's try to find out why something went wrong. Let's check something here. Okay, guys, I have seen the issue. It's supposed to be email user. It's not email user. So sorry. Come back. Let's refresh our send again. The email. They're going to say hi from the Django. I'm going to say testing our Django email. So click on submit. Let's find out. We didn't receive any message, but let's see. Navigate to your email. Voila, as you can see, we got the message. Now come back to your view.py. In our view.py, we didn't enable messaging, so we are going to do that now. It will help us to be able to receive a message that the email was sent successfully. Let us do that right now. Messages dot sources. We are going to say thank you for your message. Now let's delete the previous one. Open your project again. From Bright. By C-Web, the subject. The subject should be testing. Here will be from Bright. C-Web, okay. Send the message. Okay, as you can see, it says, thank you for your message. If you open it up, you will see the message was delivered direct to us with our template, new message from Bright C-Web developer. This is your name, so you can give a space for them all. Thank you so much. Try to subscribe to my channel. I have built Django custom authentication, and you can also reset your password using email. Check on my videos. You will see them all. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel and comment on any project that you want us to build. Thank you so much. One love. God bless you all.